Okay, we can start our tour over here for Ruby Princess. This is B for Baja deck, which is deck 11, 756. It is an aft balcony cabin. I just went to my muster station. It was muster station E over at Club Fusion. We have light switches here, but no key card. Yay! So this is your basic closet area. Here we have an already open safe. It's not a very big safe. Again, will not fit laptop, but will fit, you know, phones, and if you have a very small tablet, it might fit that, like maybe a little Kindle reader or something, but that's about it. Lots of shelving. And gotta close this first and then quickly close this because it'll bang against it. One more light switch. And here we have a bathroom, just like a bathroom you would expect to be. Some shelves for storage, towel rods. It's unusual for them to leave that open, but okay. And a little bit of stuff down here. Your shower curtain, your amenities, and it's kind of a bulbous shower head. A little bit of a clothesline, a bar to keep you from falling over when it's rocky rolly, and that's pretty much the bathroom. Oh, a couple of hooks on the door. Always handy. Okay. Oh, full-length mirror. And this is the cabin. We have your basic end table here. There's no power of any kind. And two drawers. No power. There's light switches behind the pillows, but there's no power behind the pillows. We have your table and trash can. We have the bar set up. Again, same setup for the rest of the end table. This is our desk. Here, just a little couple of shelving, which is kind of nice actually. And of course you have your lovely hair dryer. And here again, we have a cooler with all kinds of goodies in it. And we have an aft balcony. Now, not a sliding door, is it? Or is it? No, it is a sliding door on Ruby. Okay. Comes open quite easily. This is a big balcony. Look how big this is. There is lots of room here. This is very nice. It smells like food. Not entirely sure why, but it smells like food. Kind of tomato-based food. Here we have a lovely view of the San Francisco skyline and the Bay Bridge here. We will be going under the Golden Gate as we leave. But yeah, this is very pretty. And then back to just how big that balcony is. Look at how big that balcony is. That is so pretty. I love aft balconies. They are my favorite. Alrighty. It's very nice outside too. I believe that is it for our cabin tour. Oh, and of course we have to. This, I gather, is my stateroom attendant. And there's the bed. And isn't it lovely? Alright, now for me to unpack and clutter all my stuff up.